Closing stock. Let us see how can we input closing stock into our system. First, you need to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Under inventory, you'll find consumption, where closing stock is listed. Once you click here, a screen like so will appear, where all your favorite marked raw materials will appear first, and then all your unfavorite items will be listed. The category of the raw materials, the name of the raw material, the existing stock. Next is the current stock box, where you need to put in the actual value which you can currently see in your physical stock, and any comments with it if you'd like to. Here, there's one specification where you cannot put in the stock like so. You'll have to first put in the kilograms here and the grams in its respective box. You can filter it out with raw material names, categories, the date of inputting the raw material. One thing to keep in mind that you can only use one date for inputting all the raw material quantities. It will also ask you the closing stock calculated on frequency, daily, bi-weekly, monthly, yearly, and all. We'll keep all. Once you select and click on load, all the raw materials will be displayed. If you'd like to add specific raw materials, then you can use this function where 2 or 3 raw materials or more than that can be added as per your liking, instead of going through the long list of raw materials in the earlier page. You can select the date here and put in the necessary information. Once you click on Save Changes, the changes will be made. If you'd like to make your life easier, you can go to this section and download an Excel sheet for bulk entry. After downloading, a view like this will be visible on your screen. You can mention the amounts here and the necessary details. Once that is done, you can click on Save and upload the Excel sheet back by coming here and clicking on Upload. This will do the bulk posting of all the entries for closing stock. You can click on Download PDF and generate a PDF in which list like so will be visible. You can mention digitalize the current stock in Excel format and then upload it back, physical plus digital bulk posting. That sheet helps you to take down physical stock whenever you are doing closing stock entry. Inventory is a very important feature whenever it comes to track raw material and the amounts invested in raw materials. This entire tracking works on the closing stock function. The first one being digital stock, where the stock level will increase and decrease by the purchase and consumptions as per the item recipe or digital entries of bills. And there is digital stock, where actually at the ground level, at your outlet level, the stock is being consumed and increased with the amount of stock that comes in and the amount of stock that goes into the recipe. Now, tallying these two will lead to the creation of variance, and this variance is very important for us to know the losses associated with the raw materials. To ascertain these losses, closing stock entries has to be done by your staff members or anyone at regular intervals for individual raw materials. This can be done weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, yearly, half-yearly, as per your policies. But unless and until you will tell the system that physical closing stock is this much amount, the variance cannot be generated. So this becomes a very important function for all the outlets. And make sure that while uploading or doing these entries, you are first selecting the outlet and then doing the entry for that particular outlet, as different outlets can have different stock levels as well. Thank you.